Today we are going to make the E sound again. Here's another vowel team, which means it's two vowels working together, but they only make one sound. So when you have E and E together, it makes the sound E, makes the long E sound. Are you ready to try some words? All right, let's do this. This word has two sounds in it. Let's tap them. S, E. Now, let's tap and stretch them together. Ready? See. Oh, that was an easy word. You want to say it fast? See. See. I can see that this is an easy word. Good job. Let's try a new word. This word has three sounds. T, R, E. Now let's tap and stretch the sounds together. Ready? Tree. Let's tap and stretch again. Tree. Let's say it fast. Tree. Say it fast. Tree. Tree. Oh, I like to climb the tree in my yard. Very good. Let's look at this word. How many sounds does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. And it has one vowel sound in the middle. And we know that this vowel says E because it's a vowel team that says the long E sound. So we have G, R, E, N. Let's put them together and tap and stretch. Are you ready? Green. Good. Let's do that again. Green. Very good. Let's say it fast. Green. Say it fast. Green. Yeah, the tree in my backyard is green. Good job. Let's try another one. Okay, how many sounds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. Let's tap each sound. Ready? S, P, E, Ch. Good. Now let's put our sounds together and tap and stretch. Speech. Let's try that again. Ready? Speech. Let's say it fast. Speech. Say it fast. Speech. My mom gave a speech at the PTA meeting. That's right. Now let's try one more word, and this is a big one, but I think you can do it. I know you can do it. How many sounds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sounds. Our vowel is a vowel team that says the long E sound, right? All right, let's tap and say our sounds. S, K, R, E, Ch. Wow, that's a lot. All right, let's put them together and tap and stretch them. Are you ready? Screech. Interesting word. Let's do that again. Tap and stretch. Screech. Let's say it fast. Screech. Say it fast. Screech. The owl in my backyard will screech all night long. Let's make a loud noise, right? Screech. Great job with vowel team EE that makes the sound E.